Okay, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making a pork udon sesame salad. So we'll need some udon. So that's frozen udon. I'm just going to drop it in. I've already prepared some hot water here. I'm going to drop that in for a few minutes. We'll need some shaved pork from your local Korean mart or Japanese mart. It's already nicely shaved, ready to go. Some nice salad leaves, mixture of spinach and whatever else there is in there. Some Kewpie sesame dressing. Some mentue. Some sesame oil. A few roasted sesame seeds. And a bit of pepper. We won't need too much salt today because the sauces are already seasoned. So we're going to go ahead and just cook these udon off. Done now. So I'm just going to refresh these in some cold water because it is a salad. So into a hot pan, just a splash of oil. We're just going to cook our pork off now. So again, we're using this shaved pork. Throw it in there, saute it off. Should be enough. Fine. We just want to fry this off. I'm going to put a bit of pepper in there. You see, I'm not really using any salt because we're going to put our dressing in later. Sometimes this pork is a bit too long, so I'm just going to cut it. The scissors here. Cut up a little bit smaller. Fine. So we're just going to, while that's cooking away, I'm just going to turn that down a bit. And we're going to quickly make the dressing. So the dressing is Kewpie sesame dressing. Probably about 2 parts. 2 parts Kewpie sesame dressing. 1 part mentue, and just a little splash of sesame oil. That little mixy. I'm going to turn this off now. So pour all that meat in. And then, while the meat's still warm, we're going to put some of the sauce in there. Like that, and our lovely leaves here. Some of them might need a little bit more ripping up. Just going to tear them up a little bit. Some of them will be fine. So yeah, try and get a nice different mix of leaves. These in there. And then all you do is just do a little toss. Use the rest of your dressing. Some salt, pepper. Just be soft hands. Soft hands. Try and get the pork, the udon, the leaves all mixed together. And then we're just going to place it up. You'll have to do this in stages. You know, you put a bit of lettuce, the noodles will fall through.